If you're an engineer who cares about the work you produce, H2X can improve every aspect of your design process. From its intuitive drag-and-drop interface, to automatic calculations with built-in CIBSI-approved accuracy, to a wide range of comprehensive exports, so you can share all information regarding your designs with your customers and clientele.
So what is H2X? Well, H2X is engineering software aimed at companies and individuals who design engineering systems for commercial and domestic properties. Our most popular systems include designing water systems, ventilation and duct systems, heat loss calculations, hydronic heating and chill water systems, and underfloor heating systems.
This, however, is just the tip of the iceberg. H2X is already being used by teams around the world, and as a result includes a wide range of global calculation methods, included but not limited to the United Kingdom, the United States, Australia, Europe, and India. To get started, you only need to upload the PDF layout of your property. A lot of work has gone into making the user interface simple, so everything required to build a complex design is in this toolbar, which makes it very easy to learn. And for the experts, there are smart tools to improve the efficiency of drawing. Things like being able to draw multiple pipes at the same time, and nodes that automatically snap onto the nearest pipes. Using these basic and intuitive systems, you can draw your engineering design in minutes. H2X also gives you the option to set and draw heat loss calculations onto rooms of your layout, which then for heating systems allows H2X to automatically size each component to provide the necessary heating for each room. Then once your design is complete, the calculations are automatically undertaken, saving you significant time. And the review process is remarkably simple thanks to the results being distributed across their related components. This gives you an easy to navigate, comprehensive view of every calculation in your system.
Thanks to our Revit integration, you can save hours of time by directly importing your designs, turning your designs into Revit models within seconds. And alongside Revit, H2X also allows you to import your projects into AutoCAD. From here, H2X allows you to export your designs into a wide range of documentation.
The PDF drawing set provides you with a fully customizable drawing set that can be branded with custom logos and includes system schedules for the components within your design.
The design report includes all relevant calculations included in your design.
Finally, the bill of materials calculates the total cost of all the materials required for the construction of your design, all laid out in an easy to understand, comprehensive format. All of this information is readily available, so if someone ever questions your design, there's no need to panic. The correct design process is being followed, and you can provide all the details that they require. Long story short, thousands of engineers, designers, and consultants are already using H2X to save countless hours on their design workflow, meaning they can take on more jobs and more revenue.
If you'd like to optimize your workflow with H2X, head to our website and book a one-to-one free demonstration with one of our specialists, and sign up for a free trial. But if H2X isn't just for you, we also offer large-scale implementation plans for entire teams of consultants.